Hello everyone, it's me once again, Janice May, and the tutorial for today is a request from one of my followers on Facebook. It is how to make this skinny little cone beads. You can call them cone beads, you can call them stick beads, but they are long and skinny, and there's so many things you can do with this, and that will be another tutorial. But today we are just going to be making the skinny cone bead. So these are the ones that I already made. These ones too, I already strung them ready for dipping into the vibrance. And I will put a link on another video I did on how just to put in buffer beads in between them. Very easy and simple. So what you need, you will need triangle strips. This skinny cone bead I made using the triangle strips that I have for sale on Etsy, but I'm gonna give you the measurement. It's 1/2 inch at the base and it is 17 inches long. I'm also gonna be using one that is let me just make sure, 1 inch at the base and 14 inches long. So I have links also down there on my Etsy shop, and we will be glazing them. And now the vibrance comes in the 16 ounces bottle, so which is good. So okay, let's start. Let me just clear away my table. You will also need the bamboo roller. So first I will be rolling this, the 1/2 inch by 17, and this is how you roll them into a skinny cone bead. Okay, have your glue stick ready. So I'm gonna start over here on this side because we will basically be filling the gap here to make a long skinny cone bead. So just like that, and you just roll it, and very easy, you just go down the roller, just making a spiral like so. Okay. So this is just cut from the magazine bead. And you see it coming along. We're gonna be making three lengths of the skinny cone bead. So you can make, you know, what's popular out there. You see it online, just like a graduated drops of different lengths. And this is going to be perfect for it. And I'm gonna make a jewelry piece also of the ones that, of the beads that I finished. So we are almost done. Okay. So for now, I'm just gonna be using the glue stick. Just finish it up. So you have your skinny long cone bead. Okay, so what you do, you will make, you know, a few of these. And this one's, for example, I made it so that they are of the same length to show you how you can make them into graduated lengths. So you do it by just simply pushing it down, like so. Okay, so now this is shorter than that. So if I want to make three lengths, so I'm just gonna go ahead and push them like so. So now you have three lengths. So that's how you do it. And for something fun, I would like to add making this paper. It's a wrapping paper, it's a locked-up paper, and just last minute I discovered this and that it will make the great long skinny bead. And I did already a finish earring, one earring with it. Okay, the colors are just so pretty. So, and this type of paper, I will just leave them as they are. I'm not going to glaze them. I'm not going to put a white glue on them. I'm not gonna do anything because somehow the colors would change. And I love the magenta and gold color of this piece. So I already made one here. Just want to make sure that they're of the same length. So as you can see, it's pretty. Already made one. So this is how I measure, make sure they are of the same length. Okay, so this one came out really nice, and you can experiment with your other special paper I'm sure you have in your stash. Okay, just want to make sure that it's see how pretty this one is. Special paper. Okay, so just to show you how to glaze them, although I already have a tutorial and video, so maybe I don't need to do that. What I'm gonna be doing instead is make this into the other half of my earring. So this is the earring I did. Okay, see that? So you need a head pin, you need an 8mm bicone, or depending on how big the diameter of your hole is, and then I'll put the bead in here, and then put in a bead cap. Okay, so I happen to have this bead cap, or whatever you have. It can just be a bead, a nice bead on top of it. You don't need to get exactly like what I have. And then you need tools, which I don't have. So I'll be back. Now with the tools, I will just do a simple wire wrap loop. I know you've watched me do this 100 times. Maybe not. Okay, just a simple wire loop. And I'm sure other YouTube artists there can show you much better, but I just want to show you quickly. Okay. And I thought I can do the video straight without stopping, but I always forget something. Always. Even when I'm leaving from my house, I always forget something, guaranteed. And it looks perfect. I'm not gonna tuck it in. And you need a finding, of course, to hang it. And I have this finding, pretty finding. I collect them, so. And here is your pretty cone bead earring. So, there you have it. Till next time. Thanks for watching.